Applying for a Santander credit card can be a straightforward process, but some common issues may arise. To help you navigate these potential problems, this tutorial will guide you through the most frequent issues encountered during the application process. First, ensure you meet the basic eligibility criteria, which includes being at least 18 years old, having a regular income, and being a UK resident. If you do not meet these requirements, your application may be declined. One common issue is providing inaccurate or incomplete information. Double-check your application to ensure all details are correct, including your name, address, and employment status. Any discrepancies may lead to delays or even rejection. Another issue is having a poor credit history. Santander, like all lenders, uses credit scoring to assess your application. If you have a history of late payments, defaults, or other negative marks on your credit report, you may be declined or offered a higher interest rate. To avoid this, check your credit report before applying and work on improving your credit score if necessary. Some applicants may also experience issues with identification and verification. Santander may request additional documentation, such as proof of income or address, to verify your identity. Ensure you have these documents readily available to avoid delays. Additionally, be aware of the credit limit and terms and conditions. Santander may not always offer the advertised credit limit, and the interest rate may vary depending on your credit score. Carefully review the terms and conditions before accepting the credit card agreement. To avoid common issues with your Santander credit card application, follow these best practices. Check your credit report before applying. Ensure all information is accurate and complete, and be prepared to provide additional documentation if requested. By being aware of these potential issues and taking steps to mitigate them, you can increase your chances of a successful application and enjoy the benefits of a Santander credit card.